Okay, so this is a quick demo on the proper use of our Bosun Seat, how to get into it over an edge, how to inspect the gear, and how to use it. First thing I'm going to do, like anything, I'm going to inspect my gear. So I start from the top down. I'm going to look at my hardware, make sure there's no excessive corrosion, there's no bends, no sharp edges. I'm going to make sure the gear that it's supposed to auto lock works properly. Check this hardware. Make sure my buckles are in good condition. I'm going to look at the board to make sure there's no serious cracks. I'm going to look at my web. I'm looking for cuts, abrasions, maybe welding spatter, anything that can damage the quality of the web. All looks in good condition. Of course, we want to take a quick peek to make sure our labels are in good condition. Looks nice to me. We're going to set up the Bosun chair. You notice it's run through our pulley in the system. We're going to put it over the edge. We're going to step into it, lower himself down, close the belt around himself, and we're going to lower him down just a little bit. I'm going to step into the Bosun seat. I'm going to go over the edge. I'm going to step on the seat. I'm going to lower myself into the seat, connect up, and we'll get a show. When lowering down, I can push off the edge, or I can just lower myself down onto the seat. In the seat. Added protection, pass-through buckle. I'm ready to be lowered down. Arm back, unhook, and we're out.